So students, let us start. Okay, let us start exercise 5.1. Number one. Only one line can pass by a single point. Is it true? No, it is false. False because infinite number of lines can pass through a point. Okay, if one single point is given, to this point you see infinite number of lines can pass. Isn't it? Infinite number of lines can pass through a single point. To this point, many more, as much as you like, can pass. Isn't it? So number one is false. Number two, students, there are infinite number of lines which pass through two distinct points. False, because it contradicts Euclid's axiom 5.1. You see, what is Euclid's axiom 5.1? What is it saying? What is Euclid's axiom 5.1 saying? Euclid's axiom 5.1 is saying that if two distinct points are there, through these two distinct points, a unique line can pass. Only one unique line can pass, isn't it? And our statement is here: there are infinite number of lines. Which pass through two distinct points. Can this happen? So what I wrote here, false, because it contradicts. Previously also in one video I used this word contradict. Contradict means you are saying just opposite to a statement. Suppose I say that sun rises in the east. This is a universal truth, isn't it? Suppose if any one of you say that sun rises in the west, then you are what? Then you are contradicting a universal true statement. Sun rises in the east is a universal truth, isn't it? And if you say sun rises in the west, you are saying opposite to the universal truth. So you are wrong then, isn't it? So in the same way, it is contradicting this line that there are infinite number of lines which can pass through two distinct points. This is contradicting a universal truth. Universal truth is what? Axiom 5.1 is obvious universal truth, isn't it? What is it saying? It is saying that through two distinct points a unique line can pass. So this is contradicting this line is contradicting the universal truth. So therefore it is what? Therefore it is false. Contradiction means contradictory statement, or contradict means you are a statement which is opposite to one given statement. And here the given statement is what? Axiom 5.1. Axiom 5.1 is what? These are accepted universal truths. So if this is an accepted universal truth, that is Euclid's axiom 5.1, and one more statement we give that is in opposite to this statement, then your statement is what? Wrong. Do you understand? A terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both sides. True, because it is given in Euclid's postulate number what? Postulate number 2. Isn't it? It is given in Euclid's postulate number 2. What was the postulate number 2? A terminated line can be produced indefinitely, isn't it? So it is given in Euclid's postulate 2. Isn't it? Therefore it is true. This statement is a terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both sides. This is terminated line this much. It can be produced on this side also and this side also. Therefore it is what? True. Okay? Then number 4, if two circles are equal, then the radii are equal. Yes, true. If two circles are equal, then the radii also will be equal. Because if we superimpose radii will become equal. Suppose let us consider these two circles. These are two circles, okay? These are two equal circles, students. These are two equal circles, okay? These are two absolutely equal circles. So now these are two absolutely equal circles. Now if I overlap, now if I superimpose this circle on this circle, I am superimposing this circle over this circle like this. So if I superimpose both the circles, you see absolutely both the circles are covered, isn't it? That means this circle is completely coinciding with this circle. Isn't it, students? Completely coinciding. And so the radii of both the circles are also coinciding. So if two things coincide, then they are obviously equal. Said no? You know only these things, isn't it? You see in Euclid's axiom also it is given. In Euclid's axiom also, things which coincide with one another are equal to one another. Things which coincide with one another. See, Euclid's statements you must be saying as it is, okay? Don't like while writing the Euclid's axioms or postulates, don't change the statements. Write it as it is. So if these two circles are equal, obviously they will coincide. If they will coincide completely means the radii of this circle and the radii of this circle will also coincide. And we know that things which coincide with one another are equal to one another. Therefore, that means what? That means the radii of this circle and the radius. That means the radius of this circle and the radius of this circle. Radii is the plural form, isn't it? Radius of this circle and the radius of this circle are equal because they are coinciding. See, because they are coinciding. See, separate circles. They are completely coinciding like this. Isn't it? If the circles coincide, obviously the radius also will be both the radii also will coincide, isn't it? Yeah. Students, number 5 will do as a sum. Okay, number 1, number 5 will do as a sum because this true and false sometimes it may come as a sum also. Okay, so in figure. A B is equal to PQ is given and PQ is equal to XY is given. To prove AB is equal to XY. So proof. So students, let us see. AB is equal to PQ given number 1, PQ is equal to XY is given number 2, we know that things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Isn't it, students? Isn't it? Things which are equal, things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 you see AB is equal to PQ. See here, AB is equal to PQ and again PQ is equal to XY. Therefore, AB is also equal to PQ and XY is also equal to PQ. Therefore, AB is equal to XY. So see, so the answer will be what? This is true and false statement, isn't it? I am giving you as a proof. It will be useful for you. Okay? Answer will be true. So see this thing. Yeah, I am giving it as a proof because this question may come as a proof. Okay? So AB is a line segment, PQ is a line segment, XY is a line segment. What is given to us? It is given to us that AB is equal to PQ. See here, AB is equal to PQ is given to us. AB is equal to PQ is given to us. Again, PQ is equal to XY is also given to us. See here, AB is equal to PQ is given to us, and PQ is equal to XY is also given to us. We have to prove that AB is equal to XY. Okay. So how to prove AB is equal to PQ given market number 1. Again, PQ is equal to XY given market number 2. We know that things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. You see, AB is equal to PQ, AB is equal to PQ, and XY is also equal to PQ. That means both AB and XY are equal to the same thing, no? So see, that's why we are using this axiom. Okay, in this way axioms are used. So things which are equal to the same thing. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. So you see, AB is also equal to PQ. No, see, AB is equal to PQ, students. AB is equal to PQ, it is given to us, and XY is also equal to PQ. So AB is also equal to PQ, XY is also equal to PQ. That means both AB and XY are equal to the same thing, no? PQ. That means what? AB and XY will be equal. So therefore, AB is equal to XY. AB is equal to PQ. XY is also equal to PQ. Therefore, AB is equal to XY. Therefore, the answer is true. Okay, students. So we'll end our classes here only today. So we'll carry on. Okay. This chapter will not take much time. So after we finish this chapter, then we'll carry on with chapter 6. Okay, students. So study nicely, give your best. Okay, and whatever is being provided in our live classes, that means online classes that are going. So see everything very, very nicely. Complete videos you see from the YouTube. Okay, see the videos completely to understand completely. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.